Alright guys, today we're going to be trying to use Plastidip, white Plastidip, to turn some of my black components white, because I'm trying to build a white computer build. It's going to turn out really good. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to show you what I'm Plastidipping first. I got wireless AC, it's just a wireless Wi-Fi adapter basically. I am going to Plastidip the actual Wi-Fi module itself. I'm also going to be Plastidipping this motherboard that I got. I got it used on Facebook Marketplace for $35. Yeah, we're gonna have to tape everything off basically on this one. And as you guys suspect, I'm gonna be painting the graphics card. I'm only gonna be painting the shroud around it. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Alright you guys, so first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape off basically everything that's sticking out of the motherboard. The next thing that we're going to do is I'm going to take off the shroud off of the stock AMD cooler so that we can paint the shroud white so that it'll look nice and it'll match the rest of the build. And then also I need to take apart the GPU so that I can get the shrouds off and get the fans off of the shroud. So yeah, let's do that. Alright you guys, so I'm going to paint everything here with some white Plastidip, just kind of shaking it up right now. I'm only going to paint the front side of the motherboard, but everything else I'm going to paint the back side. The motherboard will be done first. Yeah. It's a friendly neighborhood cat, don't worry about it. Oh my goodness! Get out of here! Doesn't learn. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna let this dry and then we'll do another coat. And it looks amazing. Like, that matte, you can see some black shining through, but we'll do another coat and we'll be good. I put some rocks under the uneven ones to make it more even so that the coat will dry better. So let's just do another coat on everything. Alright, you guys, so I got everything back and I'm just gonna start peeling off stuff. If you liked and enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like. I'm at 100, but I'm still going to the next milestone. It took me a really long time, so please subscribe and like if you want more content like this. And see you guys in the next video. Later.